Yo, what's up, man? This is the Style Pilot. I got another video for y'all real quick. It's starting to get a little bit cold. It's actually starting to turn into fall where I'm at in Dallas. So, it's officially hoodie season for me. And as soon as I can pull out a hoodie, I'm wearing them. Like, I don't know. I've always liked hoodies since I was younger. They're just extremely comfortable. You can do so much with it. You can layer a hoodie. You can put the hood over your head. You can wear a hat and put the hood over your head if you wear it to the front. Man, hoodies are so versatile. Um, and you can wear them casually. Sometimes you can even try to dress them up, a little bit. Just depends on how thick or thin the hoodie is. And there's so many different things you can do with hoodies. You can cut the sleeves, all of that good stuff. Um, so today I'm gonna show you like my top 5 hoodies that I have that I like personally. This is one of my favorite ones. This is actually not a hoodie. It's a sweatshirt. I bought it on MitchellandNess.com a long time ago, and it was dirt cheap. I think it was like $30 because it's like a 3X or something. And the big sizes, for some reason, they never sell out, and they end up going on sale. So I got this, and then the sleeves are really like big and round, man. So I cut the sleeves off right here. And this is one of my favorite hoodies, man. I try to wear this. Sometimes I wear a hood, not a hoodie, but sometimes I wear an actual hoodie under this sweatshirt a lot. Gray one that layered it up. As you guys know, or may not know, I am a huge Lakers fan. I'm excited about the season. We'll get into that later. If you want to drop a comment, you got something to say, because guess what? These colors don't run. You heard? And a fight will come with that about my Lakers. But anyway, let me get into the hoodies, man, real quick. This is not in any particular order. Let me see. Man, I like wearing all of these. We'll just start off with this Yeezy hoodie that I got. I got this on sale at Neiman's last year. This is extremely thick. Extremely thick. And I bought this on sale. Like this, guys know these Yeezy hoodies are like $400, $500 or something crazy like that. I got this one for like $75 because it got marked down. The Neiman's where I'm at, they have kind of like a urban hip hop or streetwear section, kind of on the low. And a lot of people don't shop over there because most people that are into that, they don't buy this stuff, and especially not in my size. So I think what is the real actual size on the tag? It's an XL, which really fits like a 3X. Okay, there's nothing real like super special about it. You wouldn't know that it's a Yeezy hoodie, a Yeezy season. What is it? Season 3? Yeezy season 3 hoodie. Can you guys see that? But man, the material on this is amazing. It's really thick. The insulation on the inside is real thick, and it's heavy as hell. So I wear this when it's really cold outside, and I really need to bundle up. I got this altered, man. Like the sleeves are real fat. They're still kind of fat on it, and if I wear this with some jeans that are baggy or sweatpants, I mean, I look like a bum. But when I wear them with some skinny jeans or something, you can definitely tell the difference, and it makes it look a whole lot better. But this is one of my first ones. I've only worn this like 3 times because it's extremely warm. It keeps you real warm. And I kind of understand why it would be overpriced compared to other hoodies that I have, because this one is thin. This one is really, really thick, and this hood is heavy too. All right, but yeah, this is the first one. Another one, Yeezy Tour merch. Now, I got these hoodies. I think I got this hoodie off of like either Amazon or something, off somebody, or eBay. I don't remember, but this one is pretty dope. It's a tie-dye from the tour. It don't even have a tag on it, so I don't know if it's a bootleg or not. But I'll wear the shit out of it because I love it. It looks good. It has the dates. I mean, the actual cities that the tour went on this Yeezy tour. But it's pretty freaking dope. I haven't seen anybody myself in person with this hoodie on ever. So it's extremely unique the way it's tie-dyed. You throw a pair of skinny jeans on, or a pair of jeans with this, or a nice pair of sweats or something. I mean, it's just dope. Another one that's pretty cool. I have another Yeezy hoodie. I don't know where I got this one from either. I got it online off somewhere. But it's another one from the Yeezy tour. It says Yeezus, Kanye West, Glastonbury, Saturday, June 2015. It has tour dates on the back as well. The same thing it has on the little pocket. And I can wear this for anything, especially when I throw on my Yeezys or something. You know, it's pretty cool. It's just a plain black hoodie. It's a Champion hoodie, actually. So I think it's pretty official. Yeah, it's a Champion hoodie joint. So it's not an old bootleg thing. And you know all the Yeezy merch. You don't even have like Yeezy on it or anything, but it's a Champion joint. But it's pretty nice. All right. Now, if you guys know me, my favorite streetwear brand of all time is BBC, Billionaire Boys Club. So I have a million pieces of those pieces from BBC, and I have 2 hoodies that I wear a lot. This is one I wear at first. What's crazy is I got this on sale and I ordered a different color. They ran out of it and they sent me this. So it's like, man, I don't want to wait for my refund. Just send me another hoodie. And they paid the difference. This was actually more than the one I bought, but it's plain, but it's simple, and it just works, man. I don't know if these strings being turned like this is how it's supposed to be, or I did it on accident, but they curl up like that. There's nothing on the back. It's just good material, man. BBC makes really good streetwear, and for some reason in my mind, I always thought that like BBC was like BBC and Bape. They make, for some reason in my mind, it feels like they get their stuff made in the same factory, because if you look at Bape pieces and then you look at BBC pieces, it seems like it's the same material, same stitching, all of that stuff. And I would rather pay for BBC stuff anyway. It's just cooler to me. But it says Billionaire Boys Club right here. And it's just like clean and simple. So you can never go wrong with an all gray hoodie. Now, we got most of these hoodies and stuff that I get, especially from BBC, I'll wait till it goes on sale. I'm not paying like this. Normal retail is like $160, $180. I probably paid $60 for this, $60, $70 for this, and that's still expensive to a lot of people. But you know, with the quality of this, you get what you pay for. And if I'm gonna spend some money on, you know, a streetwear brand instead of Supreme and all that other stuff, I would definitely go with BBC, because I know what I'm getting from it. One thing I would tell you guys is a lot of times on some of the pieces, man, the sizing is different. Like you guys, I told you, like as you can see, I'm a pretty big guy, 6'6", about 240 pounds on a bad day. I wear larges and XLs. In hoodies, I'm really, what size is this? This is XL. I'm really a large, man, if I wanted to fit tight and fit it. But this is an XL. This next hoodie is probably my favorite one. I wear it all the time, and it's a 2X. Really, it's thick. It's really thick, just like that Yeezy hoodie I showed you guys a second ago. And I think this was like a $200 hoodie, and I got it for like $50. I don't know why it was that cheap, and I could probably bought it about 4 years ago. I don't know why it was that cheap. I don't know why this one with the classic logo on was that cheap. It's got the logo on the back as well. Okay. Oh, it normally has a little helmet right there. It has the helmet right there, but yeah, man, it's black and gold. You can throw that on with a lot of stuff. But the quality of this, I mean, when I go out anywhere that's cold, if I go travel anywhere that's cold, I'm wearing this. I'm taking this one with me all the time. It's either this one or the gray one. Okay? Gotta have these on your trip, or a denim jacket or something when you go on a trip. But this is dope. Guys, when you buying this stuff, if you want to go online and try to find some of the stuff that I found, man, those Yeezy hoodies, you can probably find them on Amazon, Etsy, ETZY, something like that. eBay, of course. You'll be able to find one at a reasonable price. As far as BBC, I go directly to bbcicecream.com and get my hoodies and stuff and t-shirts and stuff. I always, guys, wait till this stuff goes on sale, man. If you're a fan of it, just wait till it goes on sale. It's not worth paying full retail for some of this stuff, because a lot of those pieces are extremely high. Like a hoodie could be $250, it could be $200. I mean, it's worth it, but it ain't worth it when you know it's gonna go on sale in a month. Okay. Other than that, man, that's pretty much it. Just want to go over there real quick, man. Follow me on Instagram at Thestylepilot. If you want to email me, or just comment below, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know I got like 5 subscribers, man. So tell a friend. Like I said before, I'm going to start putting something in. Once I get 50 videos in, man, I'm going to start editing and try to make it look cool and doing, you know, walkaways with outfits and all that crap on. But right now, we're just doing what I'm doing. So if you like what you saw, leave a comment below. You guys got any questions, hit me up. You got something to say about this, hit me up. I will respond, you heard? All right. If it's mean, make sure it's funny. And remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth. I'll see y'all later.